Japanese cafe. Oh, just I'm just gonna get a Boba tea. Yeah. Hold on. Is that probably a peach one? Yeah. The peach tea. Yes. Can I have one no ice? No ice. Yeah. And see, I think that's everything. Okay. Alright, 请教一下。Yeah.
要怎么配呀
Yeah.
身上吗？
Yeah.
身上可以，配那个
你可以，你啊，
身上可以。
我知道可以做。Password. Password. Yeah, I was able to do it actually twice already. Okay. How? Yeah, sounds good. Okay.
不要了，我打给。我不要，每天都要太多太甜。为什么可以把那个那么小
Oh, yeah.
？That's so small.
Oh yeah, GoPro Hero. 是我的，我买的在Amazon
买的。
GoPro Hero 6。
哇。
我很喜欢。
多少钱
Yeah.
可爱
差不多400元。
You Chinese really good. Where you learn it?
我在我的大学我的家和我的朋友
都讲中文。
Yeah， 中国人和台湾人的大陆和台湾人。
你有去过中国吗？
还没有。我要next year 来年。我去在上海和北京。
Wow, that's big city. Cloudy.
杭州、苏州。
Wow.
Yeah.
How long you learn?
我差不多五个年。
5年呢
？5年，Yeah， 5年。
那你都是从朋友那边学的？你讲中文从朋友教你？朋友？Your friend？
我有朋友但是现在我说在 Facebook。
你在OK。那谁教你中文？
是
Who teach you Chinese？
我的朋友我看在YouTube videos 在中文YouTube。
You very smart。
有的时候不是。
就听他们说，就看 video， 就听 ，right？
Yeah， 我有的时候我看movie 和唱歌。我很喜欢。
Oh cool, you smart.
你可以说西班牙语吗？
西班牙语 no. It's very hard Spanish.
No, hey Ronnie. Hey Ronnie.
Hey Ronnie.
No. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? This is yeah, this a little bit, yeah. But the Spanish use a lot of
like rápido.
Yes. It's hard.
Yeah, but probably the hardest, well, I've heard a lot of people say is the grammar.
Grammar?
Yeah. Because it has some things that Chinese doesn't, like in Spanish, we have like the masculine and feminine, you know? Like for basically everything, you know? Yeah.
Chinese is actually very hard because only one word has got a lot of different meanings.
Oh, yeah, like for me, well, even for names, like for me, my name is Antonio. Antonio.
That's a good name.
That's your Niren means Antonia.
Antonia.
Antonia with an A. The only thing that changes, yeah.
Different.
Yeah, Mario, Maria, Antonio, Antonia, Fernando, Fernanda. You know. Yeah.
Spanish is hard to read.
Yeah, it's not too bad, but yeah, some things are tricky. It's hard, yeah. Yeah, but yeah, well, soon我去土耳其。
土耳其。
Yeah， 你知道土耳其？
哎，我知道，但是没去过。
没去过哦。Yeah， 我很去土耳其。
What their language? They have own language, right?
Oh yeah, Turkey, and they have the church. It used to be like a Christian church, and then
I know
they made
the
a
church is
Muslim,
really,
yeah.
So you be there?
Yeah, 我要认识我的中文，但是中国人不没有很多的，
没有很多。
Yeah.
你要跟别人经常讲。
Yeah.
You have to speak, talk.
Oh yeah. 当然 yeah.
谢谢。
Yeah， 我看很多的越南人。
越南人。
Yeah， 越南人。
You learn a little bit Vietnamese?
因为越南人很多我知道a little bit. Yeah， like 比如说我说天别 is Vietnamese， 天别xin chào thôi là Antonio. Yeah.
Language is not my part.
No.
Not my part.
No. 你知道越南人？
我知道越南人，但是我听不懂他们讲什么，一句都听不懂。
听不懂哦。Yeah， 很难的语言。Yeah, I try to learn it, but no, it's like.
So you like learning language?
No, oh yeah, yeah, I do. I really want to learn Chinese really good, and yeah, like also maybe also Turkish.
You like to learn Chinese? You must be go China for maybe 3 months.
I think I need
there
to.
You speak every day because speak everyday Chinese. That will make you better.
Yeah, because I think right here is kind of hard. Cause yeah, like I could study Chinese for a lot, and then the rest of the day is like English.
Forget, yes.
I need to do Chinese,
Yeah,
like
focus, speak every day.
No English, or just very little English,
Yeah, it's like my kid. He don't speak Chinese. We teach him, he don't want to speak because everybody speak English here, and he don't want to.
No way.
No.
Oh, I see.
That's why I say, okay, I send you to China.
Oh,
send you to China for summer. Then you stay there.
Yeah.
Nobody speak English.
你是中国人？
我是中国人。
台湾人吗？
No， 就是different， 中国人，不是台湾，no 台湾。
不是。Okay. Yeah, like I've heard it's very different,
Yeah, language is everything. Actually, it's hard, but for kids, okay.
Oh yeah.
Kids learning easy.
Oh yeah. I mean, we can still do it, but for them, it's easy and it's fast.
But depends people.
It's fast.
Just like you like language, then you learn quick.
Oh yeah. Yeah, like some words, but yeah, like I couldn't understand a lot. Yeah, still with speaking. I want to do more than just basic.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. That's good. Keep going. It was good.
谢谢。中国我去中国大陆中国女人女孩喜欢拉丁美洲人吗？
Because the life is different. Here is a quiet and pieces.
Oh yeah.
China is very crowd and a lot of pressure.
Oh yeah. Especially Shanghai and stuff.
Especially Shanghai, very busy.
Yeah, very busy.
Yes.
Yeah, 谢谢。
Nice talk to you.
Yeah.